Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add email in Contact Form 7. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Contact menu. Click on Contact Forms and then select the form you wish to edit. Once inside the form editor, you'll find several tabs at the top. We'll focus on the Mail tab, which is crucial for setting up your email notifications. This tab allows you to define where form submissions are sent and how they appear. Within the Mail tab, the first two essential fields are to and from. The to field is where you enter the email address that will receive the form submissions, typically your own. For the from field, it's best practice to use an email address associated with your website's domain, like WordPress at your domain. Com, to ensure deliverability. Next, the subject line helps you quickly identify the purpose of the incoming email. Below the basic settings, you'll find the additional headers field. This is incredibly useful for adding extra email functionalities. For instance, you can add reply to, your name to allow you to reply directly to the person who filled out the form. You can also include CC or BCC, followed by an email address to send copies of the submission to other recipients. Remember to place each header on a new line for correct formatting. The message body section is where you define the content of the email you receive. You can use mail tags, like your name or your email, to dynamically insert the data submitted by the user. After configuring everything, it's vital to save your changes and thoroughly test your contact form. Fill it out yourself to ensure emails are being sent and received correctly. If you don't see them, always check your spam or junk folders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.